Today, across the world, there are 27 million people caught in the web of human trafficking. Human trafficking is an assault on our most fundamental freedom and human dignity. Traffickers abuse their victims, both physically and mentally. We want to stop human trafficking, not just in the United States, not just in India, but all over the world. We have joined hands with Dr. Sunita Krishnan in an effort to prevent trafficking and protect the victims of modern-day slavery. Swaraksha, our caravan, will soon come to a town near you throughout our consular district with this message. Join us. Join Swaraksha Caravan.